Buntis ka? Here are the 10 common mistakes of a pregnant woman. Okay naman ako. Wala naman akong nararamdaman. Pero, regular checkups helps monitor baby's growth and detect issues early like gestational diabetes, pre-eclampsia, and anemia. Ininom ko kasi to dahil okay lang naman siguro. Bawal basta-basta uminom ng gamot. May mga meds kasi na nakakasama kay baby, especially sa inyong first trimester. Baka tumaba ako masyado, diet muna ako. You need balanced nutrition, not starvation. Remember, you're eating for two, not double, but better. Raw eggs, sushi, soft cheese, street foods. This may contain bacteria like Listeria or Salmonella that can cause miscarriage or infection. Kape lang naman to o soft drinks. Pampagising lang. Excess caffeine can affect baby's heart rate and increase the risk of miscarriage. Limit to 1 small cup per day. Normal lang siguro tong paninigas o pagdurugo. Always report unusual pain, spotting, or loss of baby's movements to your OB right away. Lifting heavy items, excessive cleaning, and bending too much. It can lead to preterm labor, miscarriage, or back injuries. Kaya ko pa. Marami pa akong dapat tapusin. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system and may affect baby's growth and mommy's mood. Gusto ko pa rin magmukhang sexy kahit buntis. Tight clothing can restrict circulation. High heels increase risk of falling or lower back pain. Arte lang to. Mawawala din siguro to. Hormones plus life changes is equal to emotional overload. Talk to someone or seek help. A healthy mom emotionally is equal to a healthier baby. Hindi ka selfish kapag ginuna mo ang sarili mo. Kasi ang bawat alaga mo sa sarili mo, alaga rin kay baby. Share this video and follow for more.